Anybody who lives in Sarasota knows what a coveted location west of the trail is. You're super close to Siesta Key Beach that wins year after year, #1 beach. Then you've got downtown Sarasota, all that it offers, arts, culture, restaurants. And then let's talk about Southside Village. Such a cute, fun area with walkability, fun restaurants, great places to be. And let's not forget how many people love living next to Sarasota Memorial Hospital. You've got young working professionals that want to be in a very vibrant, attractive area. But even beyond that, let's talk about Southside, the school that everybody wants their kids to go to. You know, Southside is so coveted that property values maintain their value just because of a home being located in that district. So when I tell you that people move to this area for that reason and more, there's a lot of truth to that. We're downstairs in this spectacular home, and the thing that I love about it is that it's open concept, right? People like to be talking with friends while they're cooking dinner. Speaking of this spectacular kitchen, look at these updated cabinets, really nice, timeless colors, very neutral. You've got stainless appliances, and then you can walk right outside over there and you can see your outdoor space where you have your outdoor kitchen as well. You know, when people talk about Florida living, they talk about how indoor-outdoor living is so important. This addition was done so well. Premium fixtures and just a great way to live outside. They have an expansive artificial turf area with the screen that goes up and down so that if you have kids playing outside and they want more space, they can certainly utilize that. You've got this dual-sided fireplace behind me. It's spectacular at night. With an outdoor kitchen, anything you could possibly imagine. You wouldn't even need to leave the outside. Wrapped around this outdoor kitchen space, you've got an expansive pool, and the pool is solar heated. Cannot say enough about this addition. So the thing that I love about the upstairs of this home is that the primary is upstairs. So now if you have little kids and you want to be on the same level as them, that's certainly fantastic. It's also en suite. Beyond the primary bedroom, you have 3 additional bedrooms which can be utilized as office space, guest rooms, or just extra area for your family members. So you've got bedrooms on each side of this central area that can be utilized as a play area or a TV room or even like a little reading nook or a library. This home also has a 3-car garage where you can store your toys or anything else that you want to enjoy that Florida lifestyle. I hope you enjoyed this tour. It looks even better in person. You can find my contact details below, and I'll see you on the next one.